All right. Hi, everybody. My name's Kevin Beauregard. I'm the CEO and founder of Aux, the Internet of Auctions. Blockchain-based assets need price discovery. In traditional markets, or in spot markets, price discovery is achieved through derivatives. In crypto, we don't have derivatives yet. Very few exchanges offer options or futures for crypto assets outside of Bitcoin. And we need a price discovery mechanism for crypto assets. Auctions are the best mechanism for price discovery for illiquid assets. And again, most crypto assets are inherently illiquid. Aux is a network of marketplaces designed to facilitate the sale of any blockchain asset in a fair, transparent, and programmatically enforceable way at auction. We see this industry divided into three separate verticals: fungible assets, non-fungible assets, and the tokenization of things. Fungible crypto assets, like tokens, they experience this dead zone after issuance or during the issuance process, where the value is often arbitrary. These tokens can benefit from distribution at auction. If you look at projects like Metronome, where the initial supply offering is done through an auction mechanism, these products or these tokens often have more stable prices after launch. This is a necessity for a maturing ecosystem. Non-fungible tokens, like crypto collectibles, are fantastic cases for auctions. In traditional auctions, or in the traditional collectibles markets, auctions are already the best mechanism for sale. You have something that is rare and has specific utility to the buyer. This is something where an auction is by far the best mechanism. And now we're starting to see the tokenization of things, where real estate and automobiles and pieces of art are being tokenized and brought on chain, and the blockchain is being used to track that asset. But each of these things has a very specific custody model, and therefore a very specific utility of that token. And again, because of that specific utility, and because of the various rights associated with ownership of that token, an auction is a better mechanism for sale than, say, a traditional exchange or even a fixed price sale. Our product is live. We launched our first auction house on the Aux network in June of this year as a marketplace for non-fungible tokens. You can go there now at auxplatform.com, and you're able to buy a number of non-fungible tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. We're currently in the process of building out the Aux network. The Aux network consists of two layers. The house layer, where users congregate. This is the user interface layer. Anybody can own and operate an auction house on the network and could specialize in the sale of a particular asset. Those houses communicate through the auction template layer. Templates pair an asset type with a bidding mechanism. So if you created a new auction format that uses less gas price than someone else for selling a CryptoKitty, more houses on the network are incentivized to use your template and cross-list across houses so that your bidding pool is inherently expanded and you're leveraging the entire network for the sale of these assets. Aux is essentially a different take on a decentralized exchange. Every auction happens in an entirely peer-to-peer manner where the asset and the funds are swapped or held in escrow and then swapped at the conclusion of the auction. It sits at the intersection of decentralized exchanges, traditional auctions, and marketplaces. We're building on Ethereum today. Our marketplace is live on the Ethereum mainnet, but we're also aware of the scalability concerns for blockchain technologies in general, and understand that assets are being created across a number of blockchains. That being said, 95% of all new assets being created are being created on Ethereum. So it makes sense that an auction layer would also exist on Ethereum. But other technologies like EOS allow for better bidding experiences for the end user because they lack the gas fee that Ethereum has. Gas inherently, as an essential sales tax to the user, causes friction for placing a bid. So an auction, which is inherently a competitive game, is impacted by the existence of gas because users are disincentivized to place bids in things like ascending price auctions, which most people are very familiar with. We've got a rock star team. We have a number of developers who aren't shown up here, but we have a number of years of blockchain development experience and also building products at large-scale companies. My co-founder Eric and I both ran half of the advertising technology team at Hulu. We're technical co-founders. We both write code. And we've got an awesome team of developers. We've developed a strategic partnership with Block. So we have a fantastic advisory team as well. And these guys have really helped us to get to this point. And that's all I have for you. I appreciate your time. Thank you.